How are you doing? How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. What are we raising money for today?
It's for project graduation for Leander High School.
Sweet.
Or Leander District.
Awesome.
So go up here, take a left, park, and go register.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Okay, we have made it to the car show, and man, there's lots of Corvettes, lots of activity. It's a beautiful day. The RockNRides car show.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome everybody out to the 11th annual Rouse RockNRides Car Show. So glad everybody made it out to join us today.
We have the world famous Wienermobile. Here's the man right here, Sean Jones.
How we doing?
SRE Promotions.
SRE Promotions, Sweet Ride Events. Hey, this is the annual RockNRides Car Show. Running the complaint department. Yeah.
Put the right man in charge for that.
Exactly. Yep.
He'll tell you where to go.
Thanks for coming out and supporting this event. It's always a fun one. We usually get 200, 250 show cars, everything from a Wienermobile, grocery cart, Corvettes, classics, you name it.
Got something for everybody.
Something for everybody. It's a great event. First Saturday of every March. Remember that, first Saturday of every March. RockNRides.org. All the proceeds help the Rouse Project Graduation, which gives the kids a drug and alcohol-free evening on graduation night.
Very nice.